amber lights. Most people think amber light means go if you can make it. The highway code is very clear and it's not what many drivers do in everyday life. So let's break it down so you know how examiners judge this on your driving test day. According to highway code, amber means stop. You must stop at stop line unless you are so close that stopping would cause an accident. That is the only exception. It doesn't say go if you think you can make it. It doesn't say go if it is raining. It doesn't say go because the car behind is close. In everyday driving, people push amber all the time. They speed up, they gamble. But on driving test day, examiners don't judge you based on what the average driver does. They judge you based on the highway code. If you have time to stop safely but you choose to continue, that's a fault. Now let's talk about the weather. Rain changes everything. Stopping distance increase, grip reduce, visibility drops. It means you should be more prepared to stop, not less. If the road is wet, you should already be slowing down earlier, giving yourself more time to react. If you don't do that, the examiner may say it as a poor hazard awareness. Here is how examiner break it down. You may get a driving fault if you hesitated slightly, you stopped a bit late but safely, you continued through amber but it was borderline and not dangerous. You will get a serious fault if you have plenty of time to stop but you choose to continue, you put your foot down to beat the amber, you caused another road user to react or brake, you stopped harshly creating a risk behind. Examiners don't guess. They look at your speed, your distance, your mirrors, road condition and the behavior of traffic around you. Safe drivers do not react to amber but they anticipate it. If you see a green light that is been green for a while, prepare to stop. When you are at a distance where it is safe to brake before stop line, just in case light change to amber, check your mirrors, cover the brake and keep eyes on the lights. It gives you a time and prevent that lost second panic. And once you are at a distance where it is no longer safe to brake, ignore the light and carry on. So here is the takeaway. Amber doesn't mean rush. It means stop unless stopping would be unsafe. Follow the highway code and not everyday habits and you will make right decision every time. Stay safe, stay sharp and keep learning. Hit subscribe button if you want to see me again. Until then, peace out.